Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VidMate in your mobile phone or emulator in a very simple way. If you're using PC, you have to come over into your emulator. I'm using BlueStacks, and if you're using mobile phone, you can simply do the same steps that I'm going to do into my PC. Well, you have to click on System Apps if you're using an emulator, or if you're using a mobile phone, then simply go for Google Chrome. And then into the search option here, you need to search for VidMate APK. Simple. Click enter. And then you're going to find out a website called vidmateapp.com. If you click on this website, you're going to get this interface over here. You can see. So if you look over here, it's an official website from VidMate. So you don't need to worry about. Just here you need to click on download APK now. Click on that. It will going to downloading your file. If you select on details, you're going to find out how much your file is downloaded. After completing the download, you can simply click on install and simply click on install, and your app is likely installed in your mobile phone or in your emulator. Here easy to click on open, click continue. So as you can see, your VidMate is rightly installed in my computer. Just click on it and simply use it in your mobile phone or in your emulator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.